Hey there Knights here, welcome to the series 16 of Unity Beginner Basic Tutorial series. In this video we'll be taking the health value and put it in the UI by also changing from int to the string. Actually the UI is only the string value which actually or it will be accessing the error. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back. Today what we'll be making here is that we'll be making an health script, existing health script which to appear on the screen UI. So in a moment I will open up our health script, and if you look at this, we have done pretty much everything by making a pressing E. We will be making a 25% reduce. I just changed from 5 to 25 to make it a fast. Alright, let's I have made a debug.log statement to make a current health, which I will show you right now. Here if you look at this, we have 100. If I press E, then it goes to 0. So like that we'll be making here to appear in the new text, this text where if you look at this, we have a text right here. So we'll be making in here. Let's hop here first. Before that, doing any stuff like here, we'll be making a using Unity engine dot UI. This actually provides you to access the text in UI statement. Before, let's start by adding a reference. If you have seen the previous video, if you have know how do you need to access the reference. So we will be making a public reference, public text called health text. Alright, let's copy this health text and paste it down over here in the update. What this does, will be making it to update whenever we press E. Alright, so we can put a dot text. Make sure you put dot text to work it there, then equal symbol, then we need to put a current health over here. In a moment, if you look at this, the current health have a issue problem, which means that the current health is under a in statement. We need to change this into the flow. The easiest way to make it a flow is to create a string value. So dot a convert to string, make it a to brackets. In this brackets you will be applying a zeros, 3 zeros. If it's not, you can actually leave that because it should not do anything. This zeros, I will show what this does in a moment. If I test play, then it will not do anything because we have not accessed that script right away. You need to access the text, drag and drop it here and hit play, and you will notice the 100%. When I hit E, then you can see that it just reduced to 0. What if I did adding a 0 over here, like 2 zeros, or let's start from 3 zeros. Alright, let's hit play. Alright, now if I hit E, then you will see that you have a 075, and if I hit there, then you have a 3 digits, which means that you can make it this value as a 3 digit. This will be actually using when we will be making some difficult code where we'll be making it 0 1. I will be letting you know when you are making it. Let's make to make it comment, you need to make it as 2/ to make this as a comment, which means that this line will be ignored of this. So if now we have a pretty much that shows the health over the screen. In the next video we'll be making a paint volume where a player walks into that volume, then the result that reducing the health, like that stuff. That's pretty much everything, guys. If you like it, then hit that like button. If you dislike, you know to what to do, then consider subscribing. Hit that bell icon for enabling the future more updates. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. Be awesome, keep creating. Hall Knights EDU signing out.
This video is made possible by my supporters on the Dreadeye. If you want more videos like this, then check out my Dreadeye page, is in the link in the description. To stay up to date on my new releases, make sure you have follow me on my social media.